In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use canvases in Slack. By the end, you'll know how to create a canvas, add content, adjust access, and share it in a channel so your team can collaborate smoothly. First, open your web browser and head to your preferred search engine. Type Slack, then click the official Slack website and sign into your workspace. Once you're in Slack, look for Canvases. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the sidebar or under Files. Click Canvases to open the Canvas dashboard. From here, create something new by selecting New, then choose New Canvas. A fresh blank page will open. Start by giving your canvas a clear, descriptive title. This helps teammates quickly understand what it's about and makes it easier to find later. Now let's add content. In your canvas, you can insert or attach files and images. Click the paperclip icon, then select the file you want to insert from your computer or connected storage. You can include screenshots, PDFs, spreadsheets, and more. For long or complex files, consider adding a brief note above the attachment to explain what it is and why it matters. If it's easier, you can also drag and drop files right onto the canvas, and Slack will upload them for you. When you're ready to share, look to the top right and click Share. This is where you control who can see or edit your canvas. You'll see options to make it viewable by anyone in your workspace, editable by anyone, or invite only. Viewable is great for reference documents. Editable is ideal for collaborative notes or project plans. Invite only keeps it restricted to a specific group. Choose the level that fits your needs and save your settings. With access set, you can share the Canvas link directly or insert it into a channel. To insert it, open the channel where you want it to appear. In the message field, click the plus icon or attach button and choose Canvas. A list of your canvases will appear. Select the one you just created, then click Insert. Add a short message to give context, like what the canvas is for or what you're asking the team to do, and send it. Your canvas will now be visible in the channel, ready for your teammates to view or edit based on the permissions you set. That's it. You've created a canvas, added content, set access, and shared it in a channel. Use this workflow to centralize notes, files, and decisions so your team stays aligned in one place.